Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair BOSE SoundLink Mini speaker with any Android phone or tablet. So all you have to do is just to click and hold this power button until indicator turns on.
Bluetooth.
Now we can release the button when the indicators are blinking. The next step, open the Bluetooth on your Android device, click to pair new device and select your SoundLink Mini speaker from available devices list. Accept the pairing.
Bluetooth connected.
And as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.